Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to enable power saving mode, you can just go to the upper bar, and here you have this battery saver feature. Tap on this button once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to don't wake screen for notifications. You can enable turn off always on display. You can also set it to turn off when your battery is up to 60% or fully charged. And you can also set a schedule for this mode. Here you can set start time and the end time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.